In this video, I'm going to be talking about stock Eli Lilly. There have been some important news articles that I need to discuss here, and we'll be talking about the price of Eli Lilly stock later on in the video. So, Eli Lilly, pharmaceutical company with the ticker LLY. I've made a few videos before regarding this company. The shares have soared after Q2 earnings, driven by the weight loss drugs Mounjaro and Zepbound. The company has raised its profits revenue for 2024, and the shares are up nearly 42% this year. One thing that can help with the treatment of any disease is early detection, and Alzheimer's dementia is no exception. And the good news is that in the near future, detecting cases of dementia, Alzheimer's dementia, could simply involve a blood test. A new wave of blood tests involves checking for a special chemical in the blood, an abnormal protein that can help accurately detect 90% of Alzheimer's cases. The current detection rate are far lower than that, with one study finding that the primary care doctors only detect 61% of cases correctly. While the Food and Drug Administration in US, or FDA called, has not approved any of these tests yet, these are encouraging developments nonetheless. This could be a game changer for the Eli Lilly stock if it gets approved. Now, the two drugs that I mentioned on here are mainly Mounjaro and Zepbound. These are the two drugs that are making Eli Lilly quite a bit of money. Let me show you an infographic that I found and I feel that is quite useful. So this is an infographic showing how Eli Lilly makes money, and it is from App Economy Insights. So this is not something that I've made. I've taken it from App Economy Insights. There's a website for this where, if you remember, you can have a look at this infographics. So mainly at the moment, Eli Lilly is making money through Mounjaro, and they're also making quite a lot of money through Zepbound. So these are the two drugs that are making them money at the moment, and quite a bit of money. And you can see Mounjaro is really nearly $3 billion in revenue. And previously they were making revenue, they still are, but were previously making more from Jardiance, type 2 diabetes, and Humalog insulin. But the ones that were making them money previously, they're still making money, but the current ones are Mounjaro and Zepbound that are making most of the money itself. Like I said, breakthrough can come from, moneymaker can come from the blood test for Alzheimer's dementia. Say at this stage that we need to be aware that Eli Lilly is the largest health stock in the world, with a market cap of nearly 800 billion US dollars. Investors have been bullish on the business for its popular weight loss drugs, these two that I just mentioned right now. And there is also a promising early treatment for Alzheimer's with a drug called Kisunla. This drug, the trials have shown that it can slow down progression of Alzheimer's dementia by 35% over a period of 18 months. Analysts estimate that the drug could potentially generate $5 billion in revenue for the healthcare company. If more patients are able to benefit from it due to earlier detection, it's possible that treatment revenue could be even higher than that. The company has trials ongoing in its pipeline involving other Alzheimer treatments, which could position it as a company with even more growth prospects in this area. The company's got deep financial pockets, I think, with a lot of resources, allowing it to focus on many different growth opportunities. In each past 4 years, the company has generated at least $5 billion in profit. For investors who want an excellent healthcare stock that can benefit from advances in early dementia Eli Lilly, I feel, is a no-brainer. So this is a good stock to get with little downsides and quite a few upsides. Now, having said that, let me have a look at the chart of Eli Lilly. So this is the current chart itself. The price currently is $891. You can see the price a little bit from the high, but these kinds of up and downs you will always see in the stock market. No stock just goes up. Having said that, this is the weekly chart itself, and and the price, as you can see, has gone down a little bit, but overall it's not too far away from the all-time high itself. The stock has been in overbought territory, so it is coming down a little bit. Having said that, I would say that my price target at the moment for Eli Lilly would be anything between 983 US dollars to 1,027 US dollars, as I've mentioned here. However, the analysts feel that the could go at an average of around 1,000 US dollars, but could go as high as 1,150 US dollars, but could also drop down to 725 US dollars if things go wrong. I think that's more. I think that's unlikely. The more chances for it to reach an average price of about 1,000 US dollars. So, having mentioned all of these things, I hope you've benefited from this video. Please kindly like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing more videos like this in the coming few days and weeks. Thanks for watching.